Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Rich Side Insider, a place where future millionaires come together to get ideas. Stock market fair, finally, I've been waiting for this day. I've been telling everybody that stock market has been climbing, rising, non-stop. It's time to fall. It's time to fall. Now, finally, it's fair. So, why did it fall? And what to do with the stock market falling? So, let's talk about it. If this is your first time to Rich Chat Insider, we talk about investments, stock investment, business, economics, how to make more money, how to succeed in life. If you want to make more money and succeed in life, make sure you hit the bell and turn on all notifications so you do not miss out any of my videos. So this is a disclaimer. I'm not an attorney, CPA, or tax advisor. This is for education and knowledge and entertainment purposes only. Before you make any investment, you do your own research. Every investment has risk. Okay, look at this S&P 500. It fell 2.42%. That's a lot. That's a lot. Usually, stock markets, move up and down 0.2%, 0.3%, 0.5%. Anything over 1% is a dramatic move. 2.42%. So that means a lot of people are selling. A lot of selling. There are more sellers than buyers. So that's why stock market fair. If you look at it, it gapped down. So what is gap down? Basically, the previous close price was 3083. So it opened at 3073, much lower than yesterday. Usually it opens very close to 3083. Supposed to be close to 3083, but it kept down and it just kept going down, going down. So stock market fair S&P 500 one day, so 2.42%. So okay, let's look at 1 month, 30 days. So this is not the first time stock market has been falling for the month of June. If you look at June 11, it fell, then it went back again, and now it fell again. So if you look at it, before June 8, it has been climbing, and reached to the top of 3232. So there's a trend going on. So why did it fall? So how is it going to be in the next few weeks or few months? Nasdaq Composite, if you look at it, it's the same story. Usually, one stock index fall, another tend to follow. So basically, Nasdaq is a stock exchange where most technology companies are listed. S&P 500 is where most the best of US listed as companies 500s. So combined. Okay, the same story gap down. The previous close was on Thursday. It was 10,017, but Friday it basically opened at 9,995. So there's a gap down definitely here over there. Okay, let's look at 1 month. Same story. June 11 it fell. So now it went back up and now it fell again. So on Wednesday it was 10,023, 20.35. So let's look at 1 year. If you look at 1 year, 9817. So basically, there was before this the whole thing going on, rolling going on. So basically, if you look at it, the stock market hit 10,000. So it went back up even higher than before this situation. So if you really look at it, a lot of people are losing their jobs. More than 40 million people are unemployed, and a lot of companies are going bankrupt. Retail, JCPenney, Haas Car Rental, and also J. Crew. A lot of retail companies are going bankrupt, and followed by the restaurant companies, and then oil and gas, because nobody is traveling. Everybody stays home. Nobody's driving. Nobody's traveling by a flight. So there's very less demand for the oil. So and plus, oil production is very high. Saudi Arabia and Russia, all the oil producing countries are producing oil a lot. So a few months ago, oil price even went to negative. Negative. That's really crazy. It will cost you. It will cost you to hold oil. So that's why the oil price became negative. So with all the bad news, the cases are rising. Economies are shutting back down. There are literally no good news except for the Fed. Jerome Powell, he he was printing money, supporting economies, supporting the businesses. So also interest rate are so low. So that's why you see the free. It's almost a free money. Free money. A lot of people are getting cash really cheaply. So that's why they put it in the market. And plus, there are a lot of people who used to bet on sports. Like football, horse races, and any other type of gambling that they have been doing. Everywhere is closed. There's no football matches. There's no basketball matches. There's no definitely no horse racing. So all these people, what do they do when they are free? They go on the stock market. They are day trading. They are trading stock market crazy. They are buying into bankrupt companies like Hearst, and also cruise line. They are crazy. Pushing the price up. Carnival, Royal Caribbean, Norwegians, airlines, American Airlines. All these companies that are getting so much cash for these day trader, gambler. So that's why the stock market is rising. But they don't have any experience in stock market. So the moment the stock market will go down, they're gonna lose the money. They're gonna lose money, a lot of money for that. And look at it, there's no way the stock market could go higher because this is reflecting the best scenario case. So the best scenario is that the investor are reflecting, expecting the economy is gonna go back up really quick, and we're gonna find vaccine really quick, and everything's gonna be fine. And that's what they're thinking. But what we do not know is that what if we do not find vaccine? Like by the end of this year, or maybe by the end of June next year. We never know. So, and plus, there are a lot of companies that may not survive. I read a news article that 30% of the companies gonna go, 30% of the restaurants gonna go bankrupt because if this economy doesn't open up again, if this situation gets worse, yeah. And there are oil and gas companies, there are a lot of retail companies are suffering. So a lot of these things, a lot of Americans are losing their jobs, and we have $600 a week, unemployment is ending in July. What if the Congress doesn't agree? They do not agree on a stimulus package. There's another reason for the stock markets to fall again. Literally, the stock market is reflecting all the good news. There's a possibility that there could be a lot of bad news as well. So Dow Jones, look at the same story, going down, kept down as well. And Walmart, same story, June 11 fall down, and June 24, yep, as well. Okay, so this, in my opinion, this is the reason why the stock market fell. And if you look at the new cases by day in the US set a record for new cases on June 24 and June 26. So that's crazy. So investors are getting nervous, the big institutions are getting nervous, and we are not able to control this. That if this is in our control, then business is gonna go shut down again. States are gonna need to shut down because we are running out of the hospital beds. If all these patients are taking up the hospital beds, what if the patients who got in the accident? How about those who have a heart attack? They have no place for them. So there will be higher death rate. So which is not good. So basically, the bars, restaurant, everything, the economies of California, all these states that have seen the cases rising for the past few days, few weeks, they might need to close down again, even if they don't want to. That's the only way to win this case, this rolling Rona. Yeah, look at it. That looks more like the stock market. Yeah, I mean, if this goes up again, stock market really literally have to look like this, go down, not going up again. So literally the stock market reflected the best scenario. And another reason the stock market could fall is because at the end of June, pension funds set to dump stocks after epic rally, because once you in your portfolio, once the stocks are getting so big, and it's getting risky for them to hold the stock, so they need to dump the stock to buy bonds or precious metals or cash. So they are going to do that. So there's potentially 170 billions in the market. So that could be one of the reasons that the stock market fall, and mainly it's because of the rolling Rona. Yep, another bad news: Macy laid out nearly 4,000 employees. This is only one of the retail stores. The other retail store like J.C. Penney's and J. Crews, they already filed for bankruptcy, and Macy lays out of the employee to save cash, to survive, and they never know how long this is going to last. And look at another company, restaurant, Chuck E. Cheese. I think you probably know this restaurant. I mean, this is great. The restaurant going into bankruptcy. This is the beginning of what's going to come. This is only one of the restaurants. There could be more coming soon, and there could be more oil and gas company going bankrupt, and retail companies going bankrupt as well. And we have like an unemployment rate between 15 to 20%. So it could be more. So especially if the Congress doesn't have a approval for more stimulus check, then people could lose their homes. They could basically, if they are not able to pay, if the tenants are not able to pay for the rent, landlords, they may not be able to pay for the mortgage. The forbearance lasts about 6 months. Even 6 months, after 6 months, they need to pay. If they don't, they could get foreclosure. So both tenants and landlord could be in trouble for that. Okay, but so in my opinion, so what should we do? I mean, in the stock markets, the one who holds the longest survive. If you look at the stock market in 1980, it's 117 only. Now it's 3,900. In 2008, stock market fair. A lot of people said they are stocks that they lost money because it went back up again. Let's look at where we were right now here, just before this happened. So in over the long run, the stock market will be fine. If you don't know what stock to choose, you can always buy the index funds, and you could still make money. If you hold it long enough. So basically, if you divide 3009 by 117, and your money multiplies by 25 times over the whole year's situation. And the same way with Nasdaq, and if you look at it, this is going up crazy. 2000 dot-com bust, it went down, but it took them a while. It took them a while to basically to back up to this again. And by 2008, fell down, but it went back up pretty fast, because the government took fast actions, and now we took really quick action as well. But this situation could be a little bit different because of the health issue. It's also economic issue. It's even worse than 2008. So it's 59 times if you bought here, and over the years, your money will multiply by 60 times. Dow Jones Industrial, the same story. If you hold it long enough, you will still be okay. So in my opinion, I always keep invested in the stocks because I don't want to miss any return. The best return happens after the walls fall. So after the walls fall, has the best return. So I've been buying some stock on Thursday or Friday. I might probably buy on tomorrow or Monday. So yeah, it's always good idea to keep some cash aside so that you can buy some stock during the best situation. It could be opportunity for them. So this is a Warren Buffett quote: "Stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." So Warren Buffett started investing at 11 years old. 11 years, that's a long time. So he became a billionaire. So the sooner you invest, there's higher chance that you're gonna get really rich, millionaires, multi-millionaires, or even billionaires for that. So in my opinion, you don't have to agree with me. I always stay invested in stocks because cash is the worst form of investment. Cash doesn't pay you interest, doesn't pay you dividends. It's literally nothing. You hold cash, you lose value. You lose value literally, because of inflation, government printing money. And if you want to get rich, stock markets or real estate, business. These three are the best place to put your money. Or you can put in precious metal too, but I don't like precious metals because they don't pay dividends or interest. Okay, what do you do? Do you like this video? And comment below and just say hi. Make sure you subscribe, share this video so that your friends know about what they do. And you can also get free stocks and free audiobooks below. There could be 3 free stocks like Facebook, Apple, Snapzone. Just open account at 2 links, Robinhood and Webull, and get 3 or 4 stocks. Up to 1,400. You just need to deposit 100 in Webull to get stocks like that. And if you want to become a real estate agent, I have a link below so to get a license as well. If you want to to get best credit cards, in my opinion, the links are below as well. If you pay more than $15 a month for your cell phone, you need to get a new plan. The links is below as well. And free travel credits if you are thinking about traveling as well. You can comment below if you want to talk to me. And make sure you follow me on Instagram and like and see first on Facebook. Get free stock audiobooks in the description below. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.